Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about narrative text. What is a narrative text? A narrative text is an imaginative story with complication or problematic events, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems. Jadi, narrative text itu adalah cerita hayalan, dan di dalamnya biasanya ada komplikasi atau permasalahan dan solusi dari masalah tersebut. Okay, so what is the goal or the purpose of the text? A narrative text is to amuse or entertain the readers with the story. Tujuannya adalah menghibur pembaca dengan cerita tersebut atau kisah tersebut. So what about the generic structure of the text? The text is usually include an orientation or the opening of the story. In this part, the writer usually write or tell the set of scenes, like when, where, and who are involved in the story or the character in the story. Jadi di awal-awal biasanya ada setting. Setting itu kapan, di mana, dan siapa saja tokoh dalam cerita tersebut. And then the next part is the complication or the beginning of the problem which lead to the crisis or the climax of the main characters. Jadi kalau komplikasi itu biasanya masalah sampai puncak masalah. And then the third one is resolution. Resolution is when the problem is resolved, ya, either as a happy ending or a sad ending. Jadi dalam bagian resolusi itu biasanya permasalahannya sudah terpecahkan. And then in the last part, you will find a reorientation or the closing remark of the story. Jadi di bagian terakhir itu adalah penutup. In this part, the reader also will find like moral value of the story. Jadi di situ juga biasanya ada, selain penutupan juga ada biasanya amanah atau moral dari cerita tersebut. Okay, so here I give you the example of narrative text, but it's all about old stories. Jadi semua contohnya yang kasih adalah old stories, ya. The first one is fairy tale. Fairy tale, the example of fairy tale, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Beauty and the Beast, or folklore. Folklore is like traditional story, like Indonesian folklore is Malin Kundang, or English folklore or is Beowulf. Next, the last one is fable. Fable is animal story, and the example of fable is the lion and the mouse, the turtle and the hare. So, those are the example of fable. Contoh dari fable. Okay, here I will give you a narrative text. It's a fable, and the title is The Lion and the Mouse. But I won't read the story because it's too long. But I will explain the body of the text. Jadi jelaskan saja body of the text atau structure teksnya. In the first paragraph, here is the orientation of the story. Ya, di situ ada kapan kejadiannya, siapa saja tokohnya, ya, di paragraf 1 itu. And then the second paragraph is the complication. Complication itu permasalahan. And the third paragraph is the climax or the crisis of the story, puncak masalahnya. And in the fourth paragraph, it's the resolution of the story. Jadi resolusinya, in the end, the last paragraph is the reorientation of the story. Jadi penutupan or closing remark dari story tersebut. Okay, here is the example of the text. Next, you will learn about the language feature in a narrative text. Language feature-nya apa aja? The first one is the tenses. The tenses is usually or commonly in past tense, ya. Can be simple past tense, like, or past continuous tense, ya. Tapi tidak menutup kemungkinan you will find present tense or even future tense. Jadi tidak menutup kemungkinan ada kalimat-kalimat dalam bentuk present or bahkan future, karena di situ kan juga akan banyak report direct speech, ya, kalimat-kalimat langsung, dan itu biasanya dalam bentuk present or even future. And then selain tenses, you will find adverb of time like once upon a time, long time ago, yaitu karena ini old stories, atau sentence like one day, suddenly, gitu ya. Yang itu biasanya menunjukkan cerita. Next, you will also find specific characters ya. Kalau di old story itu ada prince, princess, queen, king, knight. Knight itu satria. Witch, penyihir wanita. Wizard, penyihir laki-laki. Monster, giant, raksasa. Dwarf, it's kurcaci. Elf, peri hutan. Dragon, naga. Fairy, peri. Genie, jin or magician, tukang sulap. So all are those specific characters in old stories. And you can find also specific object like magic wand, tongkat sihir, broomstick, sapu terbang, or magician potion, magic potion, ramuan, ajaib, mantra, spell, flying carpet, magic lamp, glass slipper, Cinderella shoes, or palace. Palace itu istana, or even castle, forest, and sword. Also specific verb like cast a spell, membacakan mantra, killed, saved, kissed, live happily ever after, and etc. etc. Okay? That's all for our today's lessons. Narrative text. Hopefully you understand everything. If you don't understand, just chat me or text me. Okay? Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.